What's up, online shoppers? Have you ever pulled out a flashlight and realized it's pretty much useless to you unless you're in pitch darkness? Same. That's why this amazing little flashlight gifted to me by the brand has definitely leveled up my flashlight game. Now, I know why you're here. You need a flashlight that is lightweight, rechargeable, easy to use, multi-purpose, and it has like a snazzy appeal to it as well. You want a flashlight that actually does something instead of just glow. Now, this is the Acebeam K1, and it is absolutely an awesome little flashlight. The only thing it takes to fire up this awesome little flashlight is this one individually supplied branded battery. Now, this is 1000 milliamps per hour, but what's really unique about it is that they send you a charge cord and the battery charges right there. That's right. You just plug it in like this directly to the charger and then into a block and into the wall, and you're charging one small little battery just like that, and then putting it back in the machine, screwing this closed, and you are ready to rock and roll. Now, I love taking this one with me when I am walking my dog because it definitely is a lot brighter than most flashlights that I have. It's a great just in case flashlight. It weighs next to nothing, so you can actually leave it in your pocket for the just in case. Now, why this flashlight is unique is it has 3 light sources in one tiny compact little body. You control the power to the flashlight there, just with a push. You can see that it turned it on, really nice and bright. But depending on how you twist the dial here, it changes into a beam. You can see it's got a nice little laser beam here. And then one more click changes it into a UV light. That's right. See how it's turning my shirt white? It's 365 nanometers of light. It's strong enough to check for stains, IDs, and even scorpions if you need to do that. When I'm outside using this at nighttime, the white beam absolutely holds it down. It's narrow and focused and gives you clarity without flooding everything. Now, when I use the UV mode indoors, you can see UV light showing up hidden markings, lint, or pet stains. Honestly, I didn't think I'd use the UV very much, but now it's my go-to for checking gear in the garage and for checking hotel rooms. And finally, as far as rugged build, this is waterproof IPX68, dustproof, and it survived a full drop into gravel. I've had flashlights 5 times the size crack under less. The other cool thing about this flashlight is that in a pinch, it also will work with standard AA batteries. So if you happen to run the battery down and not have your little charger with you, you can just pop in a AA battery and it will power your flashlight. That is great information to know for emergencies, especially if you're camping or working off-grid. Now, if you want serious light that fits in the palm of your hand, it's versatile. You've got your standard, you've got your UV light, you've got your green beam, so to speak, and then you've got your standard nice bright flashlight. The Acebeam K1 is absolutely awesome. So if you need a flashlight other than what you can find on your phone, this little one here from Acebeam definitely ticks all the boxes for me. Conveniently sized, super powerful, 3 different lights, and really sleek looking too. Definitely a family favorite at my house.
Check out the link in the description below to buy what you've just seen. Scan the QR code to move on over to my Amazon storefront, where you will find carefully curated lists of all my family's favorites. Now, don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you've got a question about this product, be sure to leave me a comment. I'll do my best to answer it. Thanks for watching.